Now to the Crystal Rogers case. Fireworks in the courtroom today with one of the men charged in her murder accusing his attorney of working against him. The prosecutor echoed the concern, calling it disturbing. Shay McAllister and chief photojournalist Philip Merle report from Bardstown.
Today was supposed to be a routine hearing on evidence here at the Nelson County Courthouse, but like so many things in the Crystal Rogers case, instead what happened was very unexpected. As soon as the judge came into the courtroom, Steve Lawson raised his hand, still shackled in handcuffs, telling the judge he needs to fire his attorney. He accused his attorney of working with Brooks Houck.
I need to approach or stand up and say something to the court, sir.
Okay, what is it you're wanting to say?
In a shocking start to the hearing, Steve Lawson raised his hand, standing to speak directly to the judge.
It's come to my attention, I don't think I'm not trying to knock nobody. My attorney's doing his job for me anymore. I can't use his, I don't know what you call it, his counsel anymore, sir.
I'm sorry,
I can't use his counsel anymore, sir.
Okay, are you saying that you're wanting a different attorney?
Yes, sir, that's exactly what I'm saying, sir. Okay. I'm sorry that I didn't make myself clear. I apologize.
He accused his attorney, Ted Lavitt, of providing ineffectual counsel, and he wasn't alone in making the accusation.
We have serious concerns about whether Mr. Lawson has had conflict-free counsel in his representation. That Mr. Lavitt had been meeting with Brooks Houck's attorneys behind his back.
Prosecutor Teresa Young echoed Lawson's concerns, explaining her team has noticed some problematic practices in how motions are written, typically doubling down on Brooks Houck's defense instead of Steve Lawson's. She called it peculiar and even disturbing.
I don't know what's going on here, but I know that it's something that I think the court needs to inquire about. It's disturbing. I'm not sure that Mr. Lawson has received conflict-free counsel. I'm not sure that he has had what he's entitled to under the Sixth Amendment.
Attorney Ted Lavitt sat quietly right next to his client until the judge asked him to respond.
I have done my best at this point in time without any conflict whatsoever concerning my client.
Lavitt left the courtroom quickly at the end of the hearing, not taking any questions from reporters, as the judge asked for a public defender to be ready to represent Steve Lawson at the next hearing, where they will once again try to push this case forward. So what comes next in this case? The judge wants a public defender here in 2 weeks, ready to represent Steve Lawson at the next hearing, now set for August 22nd at 1:30. In Nelson County, I'm Shay McAllister, WHAS 11 on your side.
Joseph Lawson also appeared in court today by video from the Grayson County Detention Center. Brooks Houck was not there, but his family and attorney listened in from the gallery. Again, the next court date in this case is August 22nd.